So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, right? I want to create a music income calculator based on streaming platforms, say the top three. Also, some radio plays. Radio play from BBC stations and local and local smaller stations. Okay, let's say stations such as Kiss and Capital Extra and some merch. I like a README file so that it can create it for me. I don't know if you know what a README file is, but if anyone who is a coder, when you create any kind of application, you have to create like a README file. So it's kind of like the user would expect to do these things. So it's kind of like a brief that you're given. So all of my projects that I did for coding, we had to go off a README file. I can feel the trauma coming back, you know. So okay. Right, so we have here, use this structure as a basis for your calculator. All fields are user inputted with income estimates based on average industry data from 2024. Okay, so see, this is really good. This is Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube. Okay, it's even got the formula here as well. Pretty cool. Radio play. Interesting. Okay, so this is really good. Merchandise, total income formula. So example inputs. Okay, so it's giving me JSON data. Okay, right. Into a code file or UI mockup for Canva. Not Canvas, it should be Canva. So I did ask for a README. So anyway, okay, so we have this information, right? Streaming revenue, blah, 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 blah. What I wanted was, I wanted it as a README file. I want it in an instructional way. Can you provide this information in a structured way? Like a README file. I will put it in Canva. I will present it to Canva to create the calculator. Right, okay, this is better. This is better, this is better, this is better. Okay. The only thing is, I don't know. Well, let's have a look. Let me copy some of this. It's literally given it to me as a README file, which is not actually what I wanted. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. It's going to start. I shouldn't have pressed enter. So I'm going to have to keep on giving it instructions now. But look at it go. This is going to take a few tries. Like this, it's not, it's quick, right? But it's not quick because you have to continually keep talking to the AI and refining and whatnot. If I'd have put all the information in and not pressed enter, that would have happened differently. But hey, here we are. So look at this. It's just like, doesn't it like blow your mind a little bit? All this code. Look at it just like, okay, just go. See, this is the thing that blows my mind, right? It's just seeing all of this. It's so cool though. I need background music next time. Yeah, okay, it's still going. Can you imagine if you had to actually code this from scratch? It's like the coolest thing ever. Ah. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I like this. Okay. Let's say 30,000. Apple Music, I don't know, let's say 40,000. Realistically, you'd have more on Spotify, wouldn't you? So I'll put 20,000. YouTube Music, calculate income. £217. Radio airplay, national radio plays. Okay. So they've kind of lumped it all together. So national radio play, £8 a play. That's not really, it's not a true reflection. So we know that. I'm just gonna put 100 local radio plays. I'll just put 200. This is why you should always aim for radio plays as well. You know, people down it, but no, like get your radio plays. Merchandise. Okay. Let's go merchandise. Where's so it doesn't actually work for merch. So I'll have to go back and tell it the merch tab doesn't work.